Hey guys, it's Mike over here at the Steel Green Outdoor booth, and real quick, what I want to talk to you about is on this SG54 machine, we have a little different wiring configuration to make things a lot easier for you. Alright, so if you take a look in here, we've kind of consolidated all the wiring into one easy to see and easy to get to location. We've added a fuse box with a cover on it. That way, when you want to add an accessory, it's as simple as hooking up the power to a fuse slot and a ground wire on the grounding bar. Everything is ran off of a relay, so it's all key hot. Nothing's going to come on with the key off on the machine, so you're not going to accidentally leave a pump on or something silly like that and drain your battery down. If one of these fuses were to blow on you, you're going to have a light that will indicate that, so you can easily figure it out without having to pull all the fuses and look at them individually one at a time. But this feature is standard on the SG54, and it's just going to make things a lot cleaner and more serviceable and more friendly for the end user. Okay, so down here on the 54, what you're going to have for a pumping system is this electric magnetic clutch belt drive cast iron ace pump with a Velox impeller, and this thing is going to flow enough flow that you're going to be able to mix up anything you want in the tank and put out that product at any rate that you desire. Okay, so standard on the SG54 is going to be this larger Cox hose reel with a roller guide on it, and then also this dram, it's more ergonomic handle that has a custom made nozzle on it. You can get these in 1 gallon or half a gallon per 1,000 square feet. It's got a marking on there, so it'll tell you, and it sprays a nice even band instead of having to go over the air repetitively. You can just make a nice clean pass and get good even coverage. Okay, so to fill up this 100-gallon tank on the SG54, we got a much larger 8-inch lid that has a strainer basket inside as well, just to help you keep things clean when you're filling it up. So standard on the SG54, kind of went away from the manual nozzle control and pressure control. You'll have the electronic pressure control system, and then you'll have 4 switches that run your boom and 1 master switch. You can change the boom sections by turning off one of each of the end nozzles, and then a set of 2 and a set of 2 in that center section, so you can spray 4, 8, or 12 feet wide, or an offset 10 foot to each side. So another feature that comes standard on the SG54 is going to be our hydraulic hillside assist. So whenever you want to make the front end lock in straight and stay straight on a side hill, you flip a button on the dash, and these rams are going to run out in here and then keep you going across the hill and not down. Alright, so one more of our accessories that actually just comes standard on the SG54 is going to be our 2.5 gallon foam marker. This unit it'll last for the entire run time of your 100-gallon tank and keep you on track on the yard.